Hi everyone, my name is Adam. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on Microsoft Excel on how to modify cells and represent your cell in multiple forms. So let's get started. First, to modify cells, first select all this first row first and enable wrap text, because wrap text will make your text going downwards. We don't want that to happen. Then we need to modify our cell size. For example, the services dry, we could see the dry text. Now we double click the column right here, the line, okay, this one and this one. Now we get it. Now we are going to delete some of the columns that display unnecessary data from the Google Forms. So example, this one, these two, and this two, this and this one, and this as well. Okay, now we've done it. Now we're going to insert some cells and columns, so our table will be isolated. The reason for isolating your table is so people can see it more clearly. It will be at the center of your Excel. Now we need to format our cells. By formatting cells, you're actually giving a certain command to your cells actually to act how you want it to. For this, you have alignment, font, border, field, protection, and so on. In my case, this is a price, so I will go to accounting and symbol. We will put RM because in Ringgit Malaysia. Now my whole table will display data in RM Ringgit Malaysia. Some data need to be re-entered because during the response people don't fill the response in the right format, so you yourself need to re-enter the data. So this one, for example, 3 ringgit, and this one will be 20, this will be 9 and 10, 9, 10. Okay, done that. Now I will be adding some data. So this one, you can go to format cells, alignment, alignment center, and okay. Now you can see right here, number. I'll be adding number, and then I put 1 and then 2. Now I'm adding number because I want to know how many people fill the response in the Google Docs, in the Google form, I'm sorry. You just select this 2 and pull it down. Okay. So now I know 61 people respond to my form. Now I'll be making the border. So select all and go border right here and all borders. Okay, now you have your table right here. Now you can represent your data in other forms. For example, gender right here, just select the column right here and analyze data. Now your data had been analyzed. Now you can insert pivot over here. You can do the same for cost. Insert pivot. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot one thing about the cost right here. I need to resize it. Okay, done. Now here, now we'll be adding service and extra services. We could combine. I combine this service and extra service, so it will be more efficient that way. I think so. So this one right here. Now for the price over here. Price over here. Need analyze data. I will go right here. Set chat. The chat for the price will basically come out here. If your case is the same, just right click and move chat, new sheets. So chat 1, okay, done. The chat will be appearing here. So after done all that, you can edit your pie chart here. You can edit your chat basically. You can click here and you can add data labels. You can basically do like this, and for this one you can also change chat type. For me, I want to use, for example, column. Now I get it like this. I can edit the style, which one I want it like this. Now it's like this. Now the pattern is like this. Now this one for majority, so I can change that into bar. Now I mean like this. Okay, for the blank, I don't want the blank here. You can see at the blank quiz right here. The blanks for the extra service means people want only wash and dry only, right? So for the blank right here, I could write wash and dry only. Okay, then wash and dry only. So you could see it right here, but we could edit the cell, edit the column right here, so we can see the whole text right here. Now the text will display wash and dry only at the bar chart right here. So that's that, and you have your chart right here. You have your bar chart right here. You can edit it as well. I want it to be this pattern, so I know the highest. So from this bar chart, you can see the highest price people want is between 9 to 11 ringgit. So you can display the data in this form, so you can understand it, people can understand it. And next, you can use this table for other times. Maybe for this is November, you can use it for December. So you just this one you delete and just pull it down. Yeah, okay, just pull it down. Okay, just pull it down. So do the same thing for this one also. Just pull it down. The reason I'm doing this, select delete from the top and pull it down following the column, is because when you do it like this, when you do it like you select for one column, the format will follow for the first column. When the format of the cells follow the first column that you selected and deleted, so you'll be you need to re-enter the format for the cells. That's why I'm doing it this way. Now this one, male and female. Okay, done deleting that, and let us leave the numbers alone. Maybe you want to add some numbers soon, because you could add this. And I guess that's the end of my video. Thank you. So everyone, that's the video. I hope it will help you in the future. So if you like it, please drop a like. Bye.